Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is the Kia Sportage 2022, the X-Line. This is the top spec for the lineup with the 1.6 litre turbocharged petrol engine. This is a two drive. You can also get a full drive on this one. And this vehicle is finished in jungle wood green. So in New Zealand, this particular color is only available in the X-Line range. So yeah, very cool looking car for sure. And if you're looking to purchase one, make sure you contact us at Pukui, the authorized dealer for Kia, Nissan, MG and Volkswagen, or contact me directly. My name is Jerry. I'll leave my email address and the contact details down below. I'll do a quick walk around for you. I won't be able to drive today, but if in the future, if you want me to do a drive video, I'll 100% upload the drive video just for you. So on the side, we have a 19-inch alloys, and so this very good looking striking alloys with two-tone finish, silver and sort of matte, not matte black, so glossy black finish. And at the front, we have full LED LED headlights with the sort of LED shape at the front. And we also get glossy black sort of trims and also grills at the front, and the new Kia logo over there. So because this is the X-Line, we do have a lot of sort of black trim finish in terms of mirror, dual chrome parts, roof rails, even the sunroof as well. So definitely a very good looking car. Overall, the width is definitely bigger than the old generation, which is showing on the boot space. We also have some black chrome over here, so that looks very nice. Tail lights at the back, so LED tail lights. And power tailgate on the X-Line. That opens up nicely. We got deep space, very flat floors. So that's a particular thing I really like about the new Sportage. So very low loading space. So you just lift your foot up just over here. Underneath we have full spare wheel, jack and tools. That's very handy for New Zealand sort of conditions. Even if this is the two drive, and a puzzle tray that extends out to cover your privacy at the back. All you need to do, press the button. That opens, that closes all the way. At the back, we have full leather seats. So this is your Kia leather seats, very soft. You can see the base, it's very long, it's very wide as well, because the vehicle size. It definitely offers really good comfort when you're sitting in it. And we also have sort of suede or Alcantara finish on the top. You can recline seats forward and backwards. Cup holders in the middle and armrest, just pretty standard. And if we're jumping, so loads of space for me. The seating position is quite far back actually, but I got tons of knee room, tons of headroom, as I'm about 178 centimeters. And then up there we have sort of air conditioning screen and USB-C charging ports over there. Small hook for your shopping bag, small pocket for small things like that, and very small storage on the doors. And because we have a nice speaker, the Harman Kardon sound speaker, I guess that's why it takes up so much space. And at the front seat, we have this sort of Alcantara finish, suede finish on the side again. At the front, we have the full leather seats again with the infotainment system, full digital dash, and also your infotainment system. Nice Kia steering, which I can show you that later. Touchscreen and touch buttons underneath as well. And this one will have the keyless entry, keyless start. Well, before you're jumping, this is how the seats looks like. So that's very comfortable seats, 100%. It's very wide, so it's just gonna fit most people really well. We have electric adjustments with lumbar support on the driver's side, heated and cooling on the front both seats as well. On the top, we also have a panoramic sunroof on the Kia Sportage X-Line, so that opens up the cover, stuff like that. On the side, we have the door panel, memory seats, plus the wood finish, and nice softer material on the top with a chrome door handle, so that definitely looks nice. Let's switch the vehicle on. Cool, that's how the car looks like. So we have a full digital display in the center, and a 10-inch sort of 12-inch display over there. This is how the dashboard looks like. So you can change all your information about your driving, about the trip odometer, about the assistance, everything like that. And it does show you the rear view indicator as well. You indicate blind spotting view just over there. We have nice large sort of door wind mirror that helps with visibility, and you get sort of the triangle sort of corner glass that visibility on this vehicle is definitely very good, even with the color grills. Definitely something they didn't sort of skip on. And nice steering, leather wrapped, with all the control buttons on the left and all the control buttons on the right for your cruise control, stuff like that. Indicators on the right, auto lights, and windscreen wiper, which is auto wiper, just as standard. In the center display, we have a 360 camera, so that allows you to see around you, and push that down, that goes back to park, so that goes in. You can swipe left and right. This is all touchscreen, so that allows you to go back to home screen, just over there. Navigation unit, phone protection for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and also all the things about climate settings and information like that. So tons of information that's available. And underneath we have the digital buttons, which go into different sort of direct buttons for the aircon, for the music system. We're going through that for your air conditioning control. Underneath we have the piano black cover that allows you to do wireless phone charging or wired charging through USB-A or USB-C or 12-volt socket over here. So pretty simple. Otherwise, folding. Buttons for the cooling and heating seats for both sides, and push button and electronic sort of gear lever. This is very handy, very nice compared to the mechanical lever on the base model. Drive mode allows you to change to different modes, to eco, sports, and normal, smart, stuff like that. If you don't have the all-wheel drive, you can also go into different terrain mode. This is just a two-wheel drive on this vehicle, but all the other features are pretty much the same. Hill descendability, auto hold, cameras, and parking sensors. And on the side, we have two cup holders that fold in just like this, or opens up just like that. Some storage over here, and more storage underneath the center console. In the glove box, pretty much standard size, nothing special. We have all the chrome parts on this side, so definitely looks very premium, and very small pocket over here, again with the Harman Kardon sound system. On the top, the roof that opens up just like this. The opening speed is actually very fast compared to all the other brands, certainly, and that opens nice and wide. And then you can open the glass if you wish to. So the first glass goes all the way, just like that. And when you close, both of them will come back. So you will have a normal roof, no sunroof basically. So yeah, that's how this vehicle looks in terms of outside interior. Wish you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking to purchase any Kia vehicles, make sure you contact us at Abit or contact me directly, jerry@abit.co.nz. And if you're looking to looking to other Kia videos, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to know, and yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you very much. See you next time.